Good morning, children. Class 4 Social Science. Today we are going to see the topic railways. Railways is the most important form of transport system connecting various states in India. The first railway line was laid between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. One of the earliest railway stations built in Tamil Nadu was in Rayapuram in the year 1856. Steam engines were used in the beginning. From steam engines to high-speed rail, the growth of Indian railways over the past 170 years has been vast and it has contributed to the development of India. Next topic, we are going to see major rail links from Tamil Nadu. Name of the train is Imsagar Express from Kanyakumari to Jammu. Tamil Nadu Express, Chennai to New Delhi. Tirukural Express, Kanyakumari to New Delhi. Coromandel Express, Chennai to Kolkata. Chennai Express, Chennai to Mumbai. There are also suburban rails that connect different places within a city. The first modern rapid transit system in India is the Kolkata Metro Rail System. The Chennai Metro Rail was started in the year 2015. Next topic, we are going to see waterways. India has a very long coastal line, hence ports remain main centers for trade. So coastal water transport. India has 13 major ports and Tamil Nadu is the only state in India that has 3 major ports: Ennur, Chennai, Tuticorin. Shipping Corporation of India, a government-owned company, manages all offshores and other marine transport related to infrastructure in the country. Next topic, we are going to see water transport. Water transport happens through first one boat, second one speedboat, third one ship. The boats are widely used for fishing in Tamil Nadu. The next topic, we are going to see airways. Air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. The very fastest air service of Asia was inaugurated by India in the year 1914 by Post and Telegraph Department by carrying mail from Allahabad to Naini. Across the Ganga River. In Tamil Nadu, there are 4 international airports at Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli. Airlines plays a huge role in connecting cities within the country and across the world. Next topic, we are going to see helicopters. Helicopters are used for short distances and in hilly regions like Haridwar, Badrinath, Kedarnath and Darjeeling. Children, next topic, we are going to see advantages of transport. Growth of agricultural and industrial production. Transport system plays a huge role in the growth of agricultural and industrial production by carrying the raw materials to different parts of the country. Next topic, we are going to see growth in trade. It helps in promoting trade in the country. Transport plays a key role in the country's export and import of goods. Children, next topic, we are going to see promotes tourism. It helps the people from different countries to visit other countries. Without a good transport system, promotion of tourism is not possible. Thank you, children.